America is diving headfirst into the crypto revolution, and Donald Trump is leading the charge. A meme coin worth $15 billion, a bold plan to make digital assets mainstream, and soaring stakes for the future of finance. But here's the question: will this crypto frenzy spark innovation or end in disaster? Trump's Dollar Trump coin isn't just a marketing gimmick, it's a cornerstone of his administration's vision for finance. Blockchain and crypto are now central to America's strategy for growth and global influence. But with great ambition comes great risk. Wall Street is merging with blockchain, with major banks like Bank of America expanding into crypto services. However, critics warn that stronger ties between crypto and traditional finance could lead to unprecedented financial instability. So, what do you think? Is America's crypto frenzy brilliant or reckless? Let us know in the comments.